In today's chapter, we will cover how to create a simple drop-down in Excel. In our Excel sheet, you can see that I have email, I have domain, and I have a column which says subscriber. If we want to have a drop-down in the subscriber column, um, which tells us whether this email has subscribed to our website, our newsletter, anything, and we want the values in the subscriber column as yes, no, maybe. Let's say there are three values we want in our drop down. One value is yes, one value is no, one value is probably maybe. How do we create that simple drop down? Now there are a few ways you can create a drop down in Excel. I will cover the simplest way in which you can create a drop down. And in the subsequent chapters, I will cover the other ways you can create a drop down. So to create the simplest drop down in an Excel sheet, all you have to do is to go to data at the very top bar, then go under data tools, then select data validation, and then select data validation under it. When you select data validation, you will see a pop-up like this. In the validation criteria, select list. List is like a drop down. And then in the source, write the values you want in a drop down. Say yes, no, maybe, maybe. And click on OK. Don't touch anything else. We'll cover that later. We are just creating a simplest drop down. Yes, no, maybe. Click on OK, and here you go. You have the drop down which says yes, no, and maybe. You can pull this down and create the same drop down in every cell of this column. This is how you create a simplest drop down values for a cell in Excel. In subsequent chapters, as I said, I will cover the different ways you can create a drop-down value. Thank you very much.